Number 2 on the list, what I have at my bench at all times are my pelicans. So these pelicans, again, offset, handles are offset to the cutting blade, to the cutting surface. Okay, keeps my hand right out of the way. Nice part about these is they are perfect for long straight cuts. If you're into standing seam, or even if you're into 3/4 rib or something like that, these are great. They cut right down the middle, right in between 2 ribs. You can cut right down the middle without any problems. So these are nice. Again, long straight cuts, can't use them for curves.